Okay, that's all done.
Elbow. Ooh, what do you have? Gentle, go help her out, babe. She needs help getting on. Ooh. Elbow, what do you have there? You just want to lay down in it? Why don't you lay down?
Should I push you? Whee!
Are you a happy little girl? Can you say thank you?
Whee! More? What do you think? Somebody thinks you're pretty special, huh?
Can you say thank you again? Mm-hmm.